Where am I? Last thing I remember was watching Spice World.
Hello, Ryan Robinson. I want to play a game. Up until now, you spent your life depriving others of the joys
Wait.
of...
Furby? I love those things. You're so cute. Where are you? Come on.
I'm not
Furby, where
telling
are
you that.
Am I being punked?
No, you're not being punked. This is real. This is
Ashton!
serious.
Ashton!
Hey! Just let me start over again. Up until now, you've spent your life depriving others from the joy of board games. Your perverted joy from cheating at even the most minuscule game sickens me. There's a device I've inserted in your neck. If you don't want it to go off, you'll have to play the game. Put the pieces into the slots.
Furbs, I'm not that kind of guy.
Are you done? You done with your joke? Alright, now let me get back. Put the pieces into the slots. Make the right connections, but be quick. We're racing the clock.
Pop goes perfection? Are you serious?
I most certainly am.
What happens if I don't win?
The spring I've inserted in your neck will go off with the timer if you do not win.
Very not cool. Very not cool, Furbs. I mean, what have I done to be in this situation?
Live or die. Make your choice.
Still didn't answer my question, but alright. Do I do it myself, or are you gonna get your little furry ass over here and do it? Guess I'm gonna have to do it myself. Cross thingy, starfishy, square top.
That's not even a shape. Time is running out.
Shut your mouth! Octa-square.
That again is not a shape, Ryan.
An octa-square is a shape.
No, you just made that up.
No, I didn't. I learned it in grade school. Look, it's a freaking...
Just because you made something up doesn't mean you've learned it.
Boom. Done. I beat you, Furbs. Beat you at your own games.
What? No, you didn't. None of the pieces are in the right holes, you idiot.
But they're all on the boards. They're all right here and...
Yeah, they're there, but they're not in the right
We don't know.
spots.
Which one's out of place?
They're all out of place. You have to turn the timer
We
back
don't
on.
know.
This is why you're here.
Listen, Furbs, I just gotta get home. I recorded The Office tonight. I really wanna go see it.
Okay, you know what? Now, I'm going to have to cheat. I'm setting this device off.
No. Look, I win. It didn't pop. No boom. No pop.
What? What's going on? Did I install this right? Crap, don't forget the batteries. Oh, there it goes. Oh yeah,